Welcome back, and here is the first impression and unboxing of the latest iPhone XS, which is recently launched by Apple. Here are some details about this phone, that is MT962LL/A iPhone XX, which is of gold color and 64 GB of inbuilt memory. Designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. Other items are marked there on model A1920. Let's quickly open this box. Here is the phone. You can see it here. Here is the glass body on back side. It's really very nice. It is of golden color. You can see the beauty. Now inside the box you can see here is a charger which is of 5 volt 1 ampere. On the left side of the phone, here are the volume rockers, and this is the finger mute button. This is volume up and volume down button. On the right side of the phone, you get a SIM slot and power button. On the lower side, here are the speakers, and this is the lightning port. On the upper side, there is nothing. It's completely black. On the back side, here is the Apple logo, and here are the two cameras. Here is the LED, and here is the voice cancellation. You can see this hole. I will adjust. This phone is wrapped inside a fine plastic. It can't be observed on the phone. You can see it doesn't appear anywhere. Even earphone is also appearing inside this plastic. You can see. Now I will remove this, and you may observe this hole, earphone hole, on this screen. Now let me to power on this device. Here is the Apple logo. In the language section, Hindi language appears for the Indian users. Face recognition done twice and from all the angles. Now let's dive in new iOS 12. For quick settings, click on upper right corner of the notch, from where you can access almost all kinds of settings. You can see it here. Here is the SIM slot. You can see that only one SIM can be inserted into this. So this is a single SIM device. One eSIM can be entered into this and one is the physical SIM. For more camera details related to image stabilization, portrait mode and low light performance of this phone, I will upload another video. Till then, you can subscribe the channel and press the notification icon so that as soon as the video will be uploaded, you get the notification. And click on the like button. Thank you very much.